If slide 2 of your pitch deck isn't about the market, you've already lost the investor, and no AI will catch this. I'm Tony Materna, 32 years pitching investors. I've watched plenty of them tune out before slide 3, when the founder hasn't given them a reason to care about their market. Here's a pitch deck pro tip. Slide 2 should be all about the market, not your team, not your product, the market. Include 3 numbers every time. TAM, Total Addressable Market, TAM. How big is the whole opportunity? SAM, SAM, the serviceable slice of the market. Which part can you actually reach? And SOM, SOM, the obtainable slice of the market. What can you realistically capture in the first 3 years? Those 3 numbers tell the investor exactly one thing. Keep listening. And here's why it goes in as your second slide. It changes the dynamic of the entire pitch. You're no longer the founder saying, please give me some money. You're the operator saying, this is a target-rich environment, and I'm the one who can help you access it. This is something AI won't tell you, and AI has never had to hold an investor's attention through an entire pitch. For more pro tips like this, see me at pitchdeckteardown.com.